Hi guys, it's Shtuky and today I will show you how to wash apples properly. Usually when people wash apples, they wash it like this. And it's not right, guys, because you only wash the surface of apple here, but you have to wash it like this. You have to put your finger in this place on the on the one side of apple and wash here, and then you have to put your other finger and water to another hole of your apple and wash it like this. Just really put water and your finger inside the apple, the holes of your apple, because this is the place where some pesticides or chemicals can go inside the apple, and if you look inside these holes, you will see sometimes black or dirtiness, and if you will not wash it here, you will eat it with apple. So take care of your apple, not only like this, but also like this, very, very, very strongly, and here, very, 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 very strongly. La 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 la, and then wash everything away with big amount of water. And now you can eat amazing apple. Have a nice apple day. Bye. Subscribe to my channel.